What I had written in front of me on my desk is that always remember someone is working really hard to take your dreams away from you. Yeah, definitely it is. Motivation is very short term for sure. There has to be discipline and there has to be a realistic sort of optimism.
You are able to maintain this motivation all this time because it's very difficult, right?
I mean, yeah, definitely it is. Motivation is very short term for sure. There has to be discipline and there has to be a realistic sort of optimism.
Mm.
What I had written in front of me on my desk is that always remember someone is working really hard to take your dreams away from you. So that is the reality. If you're not working hard, if you're not consistent, if you're not disciplined, you're waiting for motivation. Oh my God, today I will be motivated and I will study 12 hours. Tomorrow I'm not motivated, so I won't study an hour. So if
Mm.
you're doing that, then you're
Mm.
setting yourself up for failure. So just be realistic about the realities of this exam, be
Mm.
disciplined, and be
Mm.
consistent. Even if you're studying 2 hours on the worst day of your life, you
Mm.
you are on right path to clear this exam.
Because you are consistent there, at least
You're
2 hours.
consistent.
Ah,
Consistency cannot be underestimated. The most important thing in this exam.
right. Do you have any role model?
Not really. I mean,
So
there
you
are
are
a
the
lot of.
role. You are itself is a role model for so many people. That's a different thing. But for you, are you the role model for yourself?
I mean, I wouldn't say that. No, no, not true. But the thing is, for me, role model, there is not one single person that I'm like, oh, this is the person I want to be like, or this is the person
Right.
that I aspire to be. That's not how I function. What I
Mm.
would is that there would be a lot of people I admire, few qualities here and there, people in my family. So, for example, I have an uncle who's in the army. He is one of my biggest guides per
Wow.
se right now in
It's,
life. So I think his composure, the way he is, he does not take a lot of tension, but he's very hardworking, he's very smart, and
wow.
keeps a balance in life. That is the kind of person I want to become.
Mm.
Right.
Mm.
So I think if you ask a current role model, I think he's someone I somewhat aspire, but no all pervasive role model.
Exactly.